The following is a recipe for fried chicken in chili sauce. It's easy to prepare and delicious to eat. The ingredients: 5 pieces of chicken wing, 1 cup of chili sauce, 1 clove of garlic, 1 inch of ginger, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, and salt to taste. Start by pounding the ginger to finely crushed, followed by the garlic. Then mix the pounded ingredients with the chicken, pepper powder, and salt. Blend evenly and marinate the chicken for 1 hour. After that, heat up the oil and fry the chicken. Flip it about so that it is well cooked. Once crisp, take it out and drain the oil. Continue by frying the remaining chicken wings. Using the same pan, heat up a bit of oil and pour in the chili sauce. Stir until it is thick and put in the fried chicken wings. Blend till even and fried chicken in chili sauce is ready to be served. It is best served as it is.